You're than me.
Alright.
Move. There we go. Nice and soft and silky.
I'm a ghost.
Look at me.
Soft and
Ghost
I'm a
videos.
ghost.
Ghost videos.
Wait, no, don't do that one.
You got new hair,
silky.
dude.
Soft.
You got new hair and everything.
Yeah, I think that's enough, Jacob.
Soft and silky.
No, cause you stop. No, shut out.
Here. Yeah, I like crackers.
You look like you're plastic.
Hey Andrew, you know the only way to remove this is just with makeup.
You fucking dick. Oh.
Yeah, what's up?
You fucking dick.
I'll put it on YouTube, so. Wait, let me look at them. So you can see look how much white there is all over there. It's just it's in your hair all over it. Your ears.
Have some soap. Where's the soap at?
Oh, look at me, like look at me, see back and look.
Fuck you. Where's the soap?
Yeah, this says only remove with makeup remover because the water doesn't work.
Where's the soap?